गुड मॉर्निंग गाइस। आज हम पढ़ेंगे 8th क्लास का साइंस का चैप्टर नंबर फर्स्ट, क्रॉप प्रोडक्शन एंड मैनेजमेंट। ए पार्ट, शॉर्ट आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चंस। क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट इज डिफाइन एग्रीकल्चर। सो आंसर नंबर फर्स्ट, agriculture involves soil cultivation and breeding and management of crops and livestock, that is domestic animals. Question number second, what do you mean by crop? Answer number second, crop are plants usually of the same kind grown on a large area for food and other use. Question number third, what are horticulture crops? Answer number third is the practice of growing vegetables, fruits and flowers is called horticulture. Question number four, name the two main crop patterns in India. Answer number four, cereals or grain crops. Example, rice, wheat, maize, etc. Second is oil seeds. Example, mustard, sunflower, soyabean, etc. Question number 5. Mention one different manures and fertilizers. Answer number 5. Manures. A manure is a natural organic substance. A fertilizer is a man-made inorganic substance. Question number 6. Mention one disadvantage of pesticides. Answer number 6. Pesticides kill the useful organism like earthworms. Question number 7. What is winnowing? Answer number 7. Winnowing is the process of separating the grains from the chaff. Question number 8. Name the two agents for nitrogen fixation. Answer number 8. There are two agents of nitrogen fixation. A. Bacteria. B. Blue-green algae. Question number 9. What is pisciculture? Answer number 9. The breeding, rearing and transplantation of fish by artificial means is called pisciculture. Question number 10. What is apiculture? Answer number 10. Beekeeping or apiculture is practiced for the production of honey and wax. B part, long answer type questions. Question number first, describe the agricultural implements in brief. Answer number first, food is necessary for life. It provides energy for movement and warmth, and it helps our bodies grow and keep healthy. There are two main sources of food, plants and animals. Agriculture is a science which deals with the mass production of plants and animals useful to human beings. Agriculture involves soil cultivation and breeding and management of crops and livestock, that is domestic animals. Question number 2. Name all the activities involved in agricultural practices. Describe in detail any one of them. Answer number 2. In order to raise a crop successfully and profitably, a farmer has to perform several activities. These activities are referred to as agricultural practices. These activities are mentioned below with a brief description of each of them. First, preparation of soil. Second, sowing. Third, adding manure and fertilizers. Fourth, irrigation. Fifth, protection from weeds. Sixth, harvesting. Seventh, storage. So, first part, preparation of soil. Preparation of soil is necessary for sowing. This activity has two phases, tilling or plowing and leveling. Plowing. It is the process of loosening and turning the soil with the help of a plow or a cultivator driven by a tractor. The loose soil, A part, helps in germination of seeds. B part aids in growth of worm and microbes. Leveling. When dry soil is plowed, it breaks into large mud clumps. Leveling is the process of further breaking down these clumps with the help of a soil plank. Question number 3. Differentiate between manures and fertilizers. Manure. A manure is the natural organic substance. Fertilizers. A fertilizer is a man-made inorganic substance. Manure का second part. A manure contains small amount of essential plant nutrients. Fertilizers. A fertilizer is rich in plant nutrients. So, manure का third part. A manure adds organic matter in the form of humus in the soil. Fertilizers. A fertilizer does not add any humus to the soil. Fourth, a manure is not nutrient specific. A fertilizer is nutrient specific. Fifth, a manure is voluminous and so it is inconvenient. A fertilizer is compact and concentrated and so it is easy to transport, store and apply to the crop. जो मैन्योर का इनकन्वीनियंट के बाद जो पार्ट आएगा वो यहाँ है, टू ट्रांसपोर्ट, स्टोर, हैंडल एंड अप्लाई इट. ओके, मैन्योर का 6 पार्ट. अ मैन्योर इज चीप. फर्टिलाइजर का 6 पार्ट. अ फर्टिलाइजर इज कॉस्टली. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. हाउ कैन वी प्रोटेक्ट क्रॉप्स फ्रॉम वीड्स एंड बर्ड्स? आंसर 4. प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ क्रॉप्स फ्रॉम वीड्स. From weeds. So, okay. Many undesirable plants called weeds grow with the crop plants. They share water, sunlight and nutrients with the crop plants. Thus, they reduce the crop yield. These weeds have to be removed. The process of removing them is called weeding. Protection of crops from birds attack the fields when their plants have grains. Birds are usually scared away from eating the grains. With the help of a scarecrow is a figure made to resemble a person dressed in old clothes and put in a field to frighten birds. Question number 5. Describe the process of harvesting. Answer number 5 is harvesting is the process of cutting and gathering grain and other food crops. It involves mainly 3 activities: cutting, thrashing, winnowing. Cutting. Cutting of crops in small fields and of plants close to the ground is done by hand using a sickle. Thrashing. Thrashing is the process of separating the grains from the harvested cut plants. Earlier, threshing was done with the help of animals. Winnowing. Winnowing is the process of separating the grains from the chaff. The mixture of chaff and grains is made to fall from a height. Question number 6. Describe nitrogen fixation. Answer number 6 is the process by which the atmospheric nitrogen can be converted into nitrogen compounds is called nitrogen fixation. There are 2 agents of nitrogen fixation in nature. A part है bacteria and B part blue-green algae. Bacteria. Nitrogen fixation bacteria take nitrogen directly from the air and convert it into nitrogen compounds that plant can use for food. The bacteria usually appear as lumps on the roots of plants called legumes such as beans, peas and peanuts. B part, blue-green algae. Some blue-green algae can remove nitrogen gas from the air and combine the nitrogen with other substances to make nitrogen compounds. In this way, blue-green algae help provide the nitrogen compounds that plants need to be live. Question number 6. Match the following: root crops, sweet potato and carrot. Rabi crops, wheat and gram. Sowing, broadcasting, green manure, beans and clover. Irrigation, moat and dhekli. Fill in the blanks. First part. Vegetables are rich sources of dash, dash and dash. So carbohydrates, vitamins and minerals. Second part. A dash or dash is used to remove the weeds. A trowel and or harrow is used to remove the weeds. Fertilizers are very rich in dash. So plant nutrients. On large scale, storage of grains is down in dash, silos and granaries. The practice of keeping and breeding chickens and other domestic fowls is called dash, poultry. E part, true or false? First part, fruits are rich source of vitamins and minerals. True. Second part is a sickle is used to harvest crop in large field. False. Third part is a manure is a natural organic substance. A manure is a natural organic substance. True. Fourth, Rahat is a modern mean of irrigation. Fourth, Rahat is a modern mean of irrigation. Wrong. Fifth, in big fields, weeds are removed by hand. False. थैंक यू गाइज. ये काम आपको अपनी फेयर नोटबुक में करना है. थैंक यू सो मच.